What's up guys, this is Lavjeet Arora. Welcome in the Tech Queen channel. So today we are going to start our function series. Our functions program is given in front of you. So this is the program that we will do in the Blue J. So guys, here we will discuss the parameterized constructor. That is very simple. Okay, so what we have to do, we just have to create a function and the function name is given, that is int num int. Okay, so that will accept a number. Obviously it is given there integer, so this number will be accepted by this function. Okay, the name is given, that is returning integer value, accepting also integer value. Okay, find whether is odd and divisible by 5. Okay, and is given, the number must be odd and it must be divisible by 5. Okay, or not, right? So we have to check for that. If it, then it will return 1. Otherwise, if the condition is satisfied, otherwise it will return us 0, right? If the condition is satisfied, means this condition, the particular number which we are sending here, that is divisible by 5 and that is divisible by 5 and that is odd number. If both these conditions are satisfied, then that means it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. Okay, so we have to use the main method to pass the number, by value to the function. So let's do it. I'm opening my Blue J. Okay, so here is my functions programs I have created. So let's make here another program, that is function. Okay, so I'm just giving it name p function. Okay, so this is my function, right? So now first of all, what do we have to do? We have to import java.util. Okay, so class name is, I had given there p function, right? So now my main method will be there. Okay, so public static void main will be there, and now here I have to ask from the value from the user. For that I need to declare the object of scanner class, right? So for that system dot in, I had written there. Now I have to give message to the user, hey user, enter something. Okay, something means hey user, enter number to check. Okay, this I have written what we need to check there. This is the need to check there, that particular what the number must be odd and it must be divisible by 5. Okay, for that we are taking number from the user. Okay, so now here user will enter something, right? Okay, so I'm just giving the integer value. For let's say that it is n is equals to sc dot next and int, right? I have given this, user will enter something. So now what we need to do, some errors are shown, BRINTLN system.out.println. Okay, when we will compile that, we get to know that why this is coming, right? So now next is there, I need to create the object of this class, because with the help of object I will call to the method, right? So I have created the object. Okay, so this is my object there. Fine. So now with the help of this object, I'm calling to the method, that name is also given there in the program, that is num, right? And it is returning us integer value, integer 1 and 0, either it can be 1 or 0, right? Okay, so let me come back to there, and the function name was num. Okay, as it is returning us a value, so what we have to do, I'm just creating a integer value for receiver. Okay, and here I'm sending this n, right? And system dot out dot println, and answer is, okay, so I can give their a. See, I can put their if condition also. If a is equals to 1, okay, then then that particular number is divisible by 5. Okay, so this was written in our program because if the condition will be satisfied, so that means it will return us 0. So that means the number is odd and divisible by 5. So this condition satisfied with that, right? So that's why I have to give their message this, right? So I can write like that also, divisible, odd and divisible by 5, right? And else. Okay, wait, huh? Okay, so not, right, not odd and divisible by 5, right? Okay, so now I'm closing this, my main function, my main method, I am closing this here only, right? So now integer and that num function, right? And that function is taking a integer value, okay, receiving an integer value. So here we have to do the program for divisibility, right? So for divisibility, what we have to do, we just have to put there the if condition. If this x is divisible by 5, so that means the remainder will be 0, and we have to use, and that number is odd, okay, and x is 2 not equals to 0, because this is for the odd, right? Okay, so system dot out dot println, and here, no, here we need not to print, sorry for that, huh? Return, yeah, return 1, okay, and else return 0. We can give here the boolean, we can declare it boolean also, right? We can declare it boolean also because it is returning 0 and 1, but we can't give here because that is mentioned in the program, return type must be integer, right? Okay, so right, let's see that is there any syntax error or not. Yeah, there will be a syntax error. Yeah, I am using this extra, right? Okay. Yeah, I was thinking that something is wrong there. PRINTLN. Okay. So PRINTLN. Okay. So okay. Yeah, this is the mistake. What I'm going to do there, right? I need to use the plus sign. That silly mistake I have done. Okay. So now it is fine. I'm closing this. Okay. And just compile that. Where is this? Okay. So let's say that we are entering this 11. So what we are expecting now, this is an odd, but that is not divisible by 5. So yeah, we are expecting that 0 only because end was given there, right? So control K M. Okay, so then next number, let's say that it is 15. That is divisible by 5 also, and it is odd also. So that's why we found here 1. Okay, so this was our program. I hope you people understood the concept. So here, this was our function program. So thank you so much, guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.